Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you are all fine. I am Adam. Today I am going to discuss about motion. I divide this chapter into parts. In the first part, we'll discuss about reference point, rest, and motion. Okay? Children, observe the picture that you are seeing it. It consists of houses of three friends P, Q, and R. Now, by looking at the picture, you please answer my question. The house of P is always at the same distance from Q and also from R. Is it right or wrong? Well, that is right. So, what we understand is that P is not moving from its place with respect to Q or R. So therefore, we can say that the house P is at rest. Okay? So if you want to say that an object is at rest, you always should refer that particular object like P with respect to another object like Q or R. So Q or R is our reference point here, because with respect to Q, P is always at the same position. With respect to Q, P is always at the same position. Okay? Understood? Now look at this picture. We can see a small object in front of house P. The time I started asking you to observe the picture, from then till now, the object is still in front of P. So, what do you say about the object? Is it at rest or is moving? Well, you are right. It is at rest because the position of the object with respect to P is not changing, and therefore we say the object is at rest. So what is the reference point that we are taking here? It is the house P, isn't it? Good. Okay, children, now you observe the next picture. Can you tell me where is that yellow object? Yeah, it is now in front of Q. That means the object has changed its position from P to Q. So therefore we can say the yellow object is moving. So in other words, whenever an object changes its position with respect to another object, in our example, the yellow object changed its position with respect to house P, and therefore we say the object is in motion. Okay? Okay, children, let us sum up the concepts. What is meant by rest? If an object is not changing its position with respect to a reference point, then we say the object is at rest. Then what is meant by a reference point? It can be any point with respect to which we describe the position of any other object. Then what is meant by motion? If an object changes its position with respect to a reference point or even with respect to time, then we can say the object is in motion. Okay, children, hope you understood these three concepts. Watch the video once again, and if you have any doubts, you can call me to clarify the doubts on these three concepts. I will meet you again with yet another small video with another three concepts. Thank you and bye bye for now.